Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Honda Goldwing. This bike is in beautiful shape, 100,000 miles. You wouldn't know it by driving it. Beautiful blue and metallic silver. This is the audio comfort version. Heated seats, heated grips, cruise control, AM/FM stereo. It's got a V-Stream windscreen, fog lamps, beautiful condition. Come on by, make your Goldwing dreams come true for just $94.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Six cylinders, fuel injected, luxury touring. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.